So in this video we're going to look how to convert a number from decimal form, base 10 that you're familiar with, to another base. In our first example we're going to convert the number 108 from base 10 to binary base 2. So to do this we just have to do an extended division really. We're converting to base 2, so we're going to repeatedly divide by 2 and take the remainder each time. So 108, if I divide that by 2 I get 54, remainder 0. There's no remainder, it goes exactly. If I divide 54 by 2 I get 27. Again, remainder 0. I don't need to write rem each time. If I divide 27 by 2 I now get 13. It doesn't do it exactly, my remainder now is 1. If I divide 13 by 2, I get 6. Again, doesn't do it exactly, my remainder is 1. Dividing 6 by 2, I get 3, remainder 0. Divide 3 by 2, I get 1, remainder 1. I divide 1 by 2, I get 0, remainder 1. Now, to convert this number into binary then, I'm just going to look at my remainders in reverse order. So I'm going to look at them in this order, and that gives me 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So that's my answer. 108 in decimal is the same as 110, 1100 in base 2. Let's do another example. So let's convert 750, and now rather than go to binary we'll go to octal, which is base 8. Okay, again the method is the same, but now because we're converting to octal base 8 we are going to divide by 8 at each step. So let's try that. 750, if I divide that by 8 I get 93, and actually the remainder when I divide 750 by 8 is 6. Now if I divide 93 by 8 I get 11. 11 times 8 is 88, so that gives me a remainder of 5. Divide by 8 I get 1, remainder 3, and dividing 1 by 8 is 0, remainder 1. So again, looking at my remainders in reverse order, that means that in base 10, 750 in base 10 is the same as 1, 3, 5, 6 in base 8. And we can actually check this, because in base 8, this first number is my number of 1s, my second number is the number of 8s, my third number is the number of 64s, that's 8 squared, and my fourth number is my number of 512s, that's 8 cubed. So let's just check this. 1356 means one lot of 512, plus 3 lots of 64, plus 5 lots of 8, plus 6 lots of 1. And if you did this calculation you would indeed get 750.